Hello and welcome to another How Did You Do That in Cricut Design Space. Let's conquer Cricut with Jody today, and today's lesson is all about how to flatten an image. So let's go. So today we're going to do flatten an image. Now to flatten an image we're going to use this great little feature that's called Flatten. And this is our little friend when we want to turn our images into a single printable layer for our print then cut feature. I'm going to go and grab our image from our image gallery, and you'll see this cute little image that I've chosen to use today, and we are going to select that. I always group mine together so that it stays as one complete image and it doesn't separate. And then down in our bottom right hand corner you will see the little flatten icon, which I will show you over in what the image looks like here. And we are going to click on that icon or on that button, and you will see your image has now become a print and cut image. And that's all there is to it. Now if you decide that you don't want that, then you can quickly click the unflatten button and it will take it back to that previous image. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'd like to see more, be sure to follow along and click and subscribe to that button for more, and go follow me on all the socials which you'll find on this screen. Thanks again, and until next time, keep crafting. Bye for now.